everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it is all about belly fat. If you're like me and you struggle with that fat, that bulge around your stomach area, this video is for you. Now, I have been treating myself because when it comes on to washboard hap, I really don't have that. As a matter of fact, I think when I was a teenager or somewhere like that, I probably did have, but right now I don't. Now, from time to time, I use a lot of remedy to help with that bulge. However, there are times when I totally like, I need to eat, I need to do that, and I need to do that, and I totally forget about taking care of me, trying not to allow that area to, get as big as it was a few weeks ago, basically a few months ago. So what I do, I stop sometime and be like, hey, look here, wake up, it's time to do something. And that's what I have been doing. This treatment I have been using has been working wonders for me. I use it at night, I rinse in the morning, and I go about my daily work. However, I do a bit of crunches and so on and so forth with it, like, a little bit of working out and watch what I eat, and it is working. So if you're interested, if you're trying to get rid of belly fat, and guess what, guys, you all know that this belly fat, especially the visceral fat, is no good for us because it covers some of the vital organs in the body. So you really do not need that. So we're not only trying to get rid of this belly fat because we want to look all beautiful, we're doing it also for health issues. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Our first ingredient is vapor rub, and this is what it looks like. Our second ingredient is lemon, and I'm using a fresh medium lemon. Our third ingredient is aloe vera gel, and I'm using the store-bought gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use that. And now we're going to put this together. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the lemon all juicy. So I'm going to just roll the lemon. Now the lemon is ready. So I'm just going to cut our lemon in 2 halves. And then I'm going to extract the juice. I'm using just a half of the lemon for each treatment. And as you can see, this one is not juicy at all. However, hopefully I will be able to get at least a tablespoon from this. Now, after juicing this, you want to remove the seeds. So now that our lemon juice is ready, a half of a lemon is always good. It will give you about a tablespoon, which is what we're using. So 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And mine went over a little. That's okay. Now we're going to mix this together. Just blend the aloe vera gel and lime juice together. And then we're going to use a rounded teaspoon of vapor rub, or a teaspoon and a half of vapor rub. So now that this is done, we're going to place this on a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, just use a plastic container like this. Pour hot water. And just keep stirring. Now you got to keep stirring this and just make sure that the water is hot enough because this is going to take you about a minute or so, since it's going to take a while for the vapor rub to actually blend in the aloe vera and the lemon juice, because they both have water in it. So what you're going to notice, you're going to notice that the vapor rub is going to be mostly on the top, but if you continue to mix this in the hot water, it's eventually going to blend together very, very well, like I'm showing here. So keep mixing until it get to this stage. After about a minute or so, this is what it's gonna look like. You're then gonna remove it. Be careful here. You can double up on this ingredient and make enough to last you a few days. And this is it. And this is ready. So now I'm going to show you how to apply this. So here is our treatment, and to apply the treatment, I'm going to be using my hands. You can also use a brush if you do not want to dip your hands in it. However, using your hands is better. I'm also going to be using some plastic wrap. So first, I'm going to apply the treatment. I'm going to massage it on the skin. Now, don't forget to massage the love handles. Just massage for about a minute. Next, you're going to take your plastic wrap, and you want to be generous with it. And you're going to wrap this around your stomach tightly. You're going to do about 2 circles. And this is about good. Then you're going to use your hands and you're going to massage it some more with the plastic on it. And then you're going to cover with whatever it is that you are wearing to bed, whether it is your PJs. Just make sure to cover it. Then you're going to go sleep with it overnight. Upon the rising in the morning, you want to remove the plastic. Sometime you might have a bit of a sweating. Well, most time you're going to have some form of a sweating. And then you're going to rinse off, and then you're going to continue this treatment every night or use as often as you can. Also remember that you gotta do some crunches, just add some exercises to this, and also make sure to eat a sensible diet, and just continue the treatment until you get your desired result. So there you have it. Don't forget to leave your comment and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Now, if this was the first time watching, don't forget to look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, I have a show every Sunday, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a very interactive show where we tend to ask questions and talk about skincare. So if you're interested, join me every Sunday, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Sunday Chit Chat with Khichi Beauty. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Vapor rub may help to decrease localized fat. Vapor rub isn't a magic cream, but can stimulate fat burning in the problematic area, such as legs, arms, and abdomen. It can help you fight and destroy fat cells, and also help to get rid of cellulites and make skin tissue firm. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals, and not only is it an excellent source of vitamin C, but it's also iron acidic, which makes it a great choice for aiding you in your weight loss. Applying aloe vera gel to your stomach regularly will help to get rid of belly fat and loss of elasticity in the skin. This is due to the simple fact that aloe vera contains vitamin C and E, both of which are known to be vital for healthy skin.